Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. More innovation, less footprint. Galaxy S23 Ultra's striking symmetrical design returns with one major difference: recycled and eco-conscious materials. From the metal frame to the glass finish, it's polished with fresh new colors inspired by nature. Note's signature tool comes built in. The built-in S Pen keeps the legacy of Note alive. Plus, it helps you ditch the dependency on notebooks, making sketches and jotting notes effortless and eco-friendly. Low light. Camera. Action. A pro-grade camera grabs brighter photos and video dusk to dawn. The intelligent pixel sensor adapts to low light with nightography, and the camera lens tones down flare for clearer captures. Only compatible with Android smartphones. Runs on Wear OS powered by Samsung. Bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor for body composition analysis. Optical heart rate sensor. Health monitoring features such as advanced sleep analysis and women's health. Active noise cancelling. Two microphones detect ambient noise while active noise cancelling blocks unwanted sound. Background noise can be reduced up to 98% to keep you fully immersed. Tune into or out of the world around you with an easily adjustable 3-level ambient sound option. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.